Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch and I'm super pumped up in today's video to show you how you can make money with the WISE Referral Program. And I've signed up 642 people so far, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs out there. And we even have a payment method section where you could find affiliate programs that are paying out WISE. And all you need to do to make money with the WISE Referral Program is sign up and create an account. I will leave a link down below. And then in the mobile app or in the web app, go ahead and click the earn 50 pounds, which give or take is around $60 right now. And you can go ahead and click copy your link and you can share it on your website or wherever. And you can also click the share button and send via email, WhatsApp, post it to Facebook, or even tweet about it. And the cool thing about it and why I signed up 642 people is because you can offer an incentive. So once people sign up with your link, they will get a fee-free transfer up to 500 pounds when they sign up with your link, which is about $600 US. And all you need to do is get 3 people to sign up and send over 200 pounds. And you'll get 50 pounds every time this happens. And it can happen many times. It's not limited to just 50 pounds. You can refer as many people as you'd like, or you can. And this is the landing page. So when someone clicks your link, it's gonna look like this, and people can sign up within minutes. And then they can start sending all these different types of currencies. And if you don't know about WISE, I'll just go over some of the core features real quick. So WISE is basically the best way to send money abroad or send money in different currencies or send money overseas. They have the best rates out there and you can compare it on their calculator. And it's very fast. It says should arrive in 4 hours, and they even have an instant option. And here's their competitors. You can see that they outperform all their competitors and you'll save the most money using WISE. And it's super easy to use and I highly recommend it, and I've used it before and I'm very happy with it. And the cool thing is it works in 160 countries with over 40 different currencies. You can hold 40 different currencies, and some of them you can even earn interest on. If you're in America and you're holding US dollars, you can earn interest on that, which is really cool. And it's really travel friendly because they have this new feature, their new debit card, and it's the most international debit card on the planet. And you can take out to $100 in cash a month for free without any of those crazy ATM fees when you're abroad. And then after that, you just pay a very low fee. So it's much better than most of the debit cards out there. And you can also connect it straight away to your Google or Apple Pay. And you can get it in just minutes. And all you need to do is sign up to WISE and then click you want the card. You pay a one-time fee of $9. There's no annual fees or any nonsense like that. And you can also freeze and unfreeze your card instantly, which is very awesome. And you can also generate digital cards. So if you want a card right away and you can't wait for the physical card, you can have the digital card, and you can get notified on every single transaction, which is really important, so in case somebody steals your card or something like that. And I highly recommend the WISE Referral Program. And once you guys have signed up, I would highly recommend you check out this page on affiliate.watch, and you can find affiliate programs that you can sign up with your WISE account and you can earn even more money. And if you want to find more awesome referral and affiliate programs like WISE, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and make sure to click the link down below to sign up to WISE and start making money today. Thank you for watching.